Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Candy Wow and Spice because as you guys know, she wowed Spice birthday bash last night, and it has been making its waves on social media. So happy belated birthday to Spice. Big up yourself, mama.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. First of all, I woke up and I'm going to eat this, okay? And second of all, I'm about to eat some Chanel pancakes.
And I would love to say that Spice, your blessings is going to be rich because it was Spice's birthday, but she made it about Candy and Candy Wow. And it's good to see in dancehall music women supporting their one another because there was a lot of mix up and drama with Spice recently this year with D'Angel, and it's good to see Spice supporting another female and putting a better foot forward, as you may say. Me know say enough. Y'all wish them did the on Spice birthday bash. But that's neither here nor there. Me know some people are also in them feelings because they probably be wanting a collaboration with Spice from when, but them can't get it. And see Candy Wow get a whole big slot for herself alone with Spice. So congratulations to Candy. She did her thing. She is a true entertainer and she loves to make people laugh. I can actually see that now in her perform. I'm going to insert the clips that I have of Spice birthday bash and you guys are going to enjoy it, and then we're going to run into the next topic.
Look at the kids on the top right there. Right now, we need to get the whole lot of. Alright. Yes, got it. Yes, okay. Yeah, what was that wrong?
I wanted to talk about the whole JFlag party that was kept on Emancipation Day. And as you guys know, JFlag is Jamaica's version of the LGBTQ community, where Aishana, Unique, and Tiffer was supposed to perform. But unfortunately, I think Tifa got caught because Footer came on social media and said that he expect Yannick and Aishana to perform on the JFlag show, but him never expect Tifa to, insinuating that Tifa is homophobic, and I guess that's why they cut her. But Aishana and Yannick showed up and showed out. Okay, I'm gonna insert a clip of Yannick, the Curvy Diva performance, and
put her with attention, put her on off more them to answer me say me. Then they put her ex-woman now answer when me for answer Mr. Joker. So listen man, when put her on what Aishana said to me, she said, Mama, a long time ago to boy and nine to be supposed to walk the front and road for the a long time ago I'm touching. See someone put her.
so Aishana also came out. Her outfit alone shows that she was ready to work. She was ready to put in that work. And Aishana has also been dropping some really good songs lately. Some of my favorites are Want It, Top Girl, and Can't Leave featuring Shano. I honestly love Want It more than any one of them. But big up to Aishana. I see you doing your thing, Mama. Keep pushing forward and pushing through. As you guys know, this year is Pum Pum 2019. Okay, I have not featured any male dancehall artists on my channel, any review, any of that. So that was my statement, because I feel like women in dancehall need to be put out there more, and we still need a full woman dance stage show. When somebody's gonna give us that? Okay, me know people will fly down for that. So big up to Spice, big up to Candy Wow doing her thing. Also big up to Aishana and Yannick for doing their thing on JFlag. Another thing that I need to mention about the whole JFlag situation is a lot of people have a lot of issue with them trying to keep their stuff on Jamaica Emancipation Day. Happy late Emancipation Day or belated Emancipation Day to all my Jamaicans. Big up to yourself, whether you're yard or abroad. A lot of people have a lot of issue with it and saying why they can't take another day for themselves, why they have to do it on Emancipation Day. What are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts on Yannick's performance at the JFlag event? Do you think that male dancehall artists are going to be performing at the JFlag event in the future? Who you think is going to be the first male dancehall artist to perform at the JFlag event? What are your thoughts on Aishana's outfit? And also, what are your thoughts on Ice's birthday bash? And what do you think about Candy's performance? It's her first stage show performance. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.